Traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. Today is Tuesday, the 19th of September, and we're going to look at yesterday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. So let's get started. Let's start with yesterday. So we were looking at this Euro Canadian dollar, and we were looking to short this pair. Let me start with the weekly chart, guys, because it was the weekly chart that told me we had a bit more room, guys. And if you look at, price action on the weekly chart, you can see that we're in a downtrend, lower highs, lower lows. And before we hit this important piece of support, down here, we've still got a bit more room to move into. All right, so weekly was setting up nicely, and on the weekly we had this very bearish red candle. And then if we go to the day chart now, again, we were in a downtrend, obviously, off the back of that euro news that just made the euro plummet. We're still not sure why. So yeah, downtrend on the day chart, again, bit more room to move into. We were looking to short it. I actually entered on the H1 chart, guys. All right, and this is a perfect example of why you should take profit. Okay, so my head is in the way, but my first target was down here, guys, at 71, because this is the last daily lows. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit now so you can actually see the price action. So all we're waiting for, guys, is, this breakdown in structure, okay? And as you can see, we got it with this candle here. So as soon as I see this candle, I am interested in this trade, all right? It broke this level. We got a bit of a retrace. I entered here, started selling here. I put my stop above here, and then I took price back down to 4371 because this level was the last daily low. Okay, I got my risk to reward of 1:1, just a little bit over maybe. Yeah, I closed 80% here. All right, and then I trailed the 20%. Okay, so far, good trade. We've taken a nice profit. And then what I do, guys, is I move my stop from here to basically the last H1 swing low. And I moved it to here. And as you can see, it got taken out. So no problem, because I've already made my money down here. And I've just, by keeping 20% running, you're giving it a chance to really keep on moving down. In this case, it didn't, but again, we've made profit on that trade. All right, so Euro Canadian dollar, yeah, good trade, guys. I hope you took it. And if you did, guys, if you took any of these trades, let me know. We would love to hear from you. And yeah, the entry was just a simple breakdown of structure. Yeah, that's all we're looking for, guys. The other trade idea from yesterday was New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. There wasn't loads of trade ideas yesterday. And as I explained in the live stream, guys, well, let's start with the day chart. Again, this was a bit of a weekly play because, as you can see, yeah, this weekly candle here broke all of these lows. Yeah, this was proven to be an area of support, but this weekly candle broke all of those lows. And at that point, we was actually in an uptrend. Okay, but then price has come storming back down. All right. Because of all that oil, like I said, guys, the Canadian dollar is strong when oil is strong. If we drop down to the day chart, you can also see, the close of these candles, they also closed below these lows through here. All right, so the idea was to short this pair. But if I look at the H4, guys, it was the H4 that just put me off. Yeah, we were looking to shorten this grey zone. But look at this H4 candle. Yeah, I don't want to short it. Even when we get wicks like this on these H4 candles at these lows, I still don't want to short it. Yeah, as it happens, it came down further. But for those reasons, I didn't get in on the trade. And I was also in euro Canadian dollar as well, guys. So, these pairs would be correlated. If we drop down to the H1, again, I pointed this out on the live stream, guys. There were a couple of candles, this one, even this one. These are all telling me that sellers are in control, but this here was that big H4 candle. So again, it just put me off entering this pair. All right, guys. So yeah, Euro CAD trade we took, New Zealand Canadian trade we didn't take. And again, I put all of my trade ideas in the VIP Discord, guys. So if you're interested, come join it. Right, let's take a look at today's trades now. Traders, if you enjoyed yesterday's analysis, then come join us. Yeah, we would love to have you subscribe to the channel right now. Also, smash that notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And also, guys, if everyone could please smash the like button, guys. Yeah, it really helps support the vid. Thank you very much. Before we look at trades for today, Tuesday the 19th of September, let me just mention a few things our channel does. Maybe you're interested. So, first of all, guys, we've got the free Discord channel. It's free. If you haven't joined it yet, join it. There's loads of traders in there sharing knowledge, ideas. We've got books, we've got indicators, we've got psychology. There's loads of just good free material in there, guys. So come join it. The link is in the video description. Also, guys, we've got the VIP Discord. You do have to pay for this service, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions and I will answer. If you're stuck or need help, I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen, like the Euro Canadian trade yesterday. We also have two other expert traders sharing their trade ideas. I give you exclusive content every single week. And also, guys, you get access to a performance coach should you need one. So loads of value in there, guys. Check out the VIP Discord. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to learn how to trade, if you would like to be coached or mentored one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. Yeah, the email is in the video description. Also, guys, if you watch these vids every day, my analysis vid, my live stream, you would like to show your support, then you can. You can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. Yeah, it starts from as little as under $2 a month, and you get some really cool perks for doing so, guys. All right. And finally, don't forget live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST. I'll see you for the live stream later, guys. Get your questions ready. Right, trades for Tuesday, the 19th of September. I'm going to start with the dollar index, all right, because this is important to our trade ideas. So you can see on the dollar index, we have come to this. This is the weekly chart, guys. So you can see price has reacted in this gray zone many times. This is a strong weekly level. And as you can see, price is at this level. All right. So we can expect, some selling pressure. Yeah. We can expect some, sellers to enter this market. All right. If we drop down to the day chart, yesterday, not super bearish, but yesterday was a bearish day. Yeah, perhaps price could come back down to these lows. Yeah, who knows? We don't know, but we do know that this level here, we are going to see selling pressure. Okay. Now, that leads me on to my first trade, which is US dollar, Canadian dollar. All right, because we've actually had a trend break here. All right, so if we look at US dollar, Canadian dollar, this is the day chart. And you can see we were in an uptrend. Yeah, this level here is also an important weekly level. And it's the same with a lot of US dollar major pairs, guys. They're all at these, it's no coincidence that the dollar index is at a very important level, as are euro US dollar, pound US dollar, all of these US dollar majors. US dollar, Canadian dollar. But this pair, US dollar, Canadian dollar, we've actually seen a structure break because this is the last swing low here on the day chart. And this candle has broken those lows. Therefore, we are seeing lower lows. All right, that is a trend break. So based on that idea, guys, you can see all this selling pressure as well. All right, because this was a weekly level. We're just going to try and take this selling pressure back down to this 3,400 psychological level. All right, so that's the idea. If we drop down to the H4 now, because we need to find our entry. So the day chart, the weekly gives us our direction, and then we drop down to the lower time frames to find areas we could sell from. And we've got a couple, guys. If I zoom out, you can see this first grey zone. Yeah, you can see how important it is. Look, price has reacted many, 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 many times at this level. All right, so if we zoom back in now, so first of all, we want to see price retrace into here. Yeah, maybe the moving average 20 as well, be a nice area. We get a bearish reaction. We can then enter this pair and look to take it lower, guys. All right, so that's the first grey zone. Yeah, we want to see a bearish reaction, or price could come back up and test these last H4 highs. Yeah, and again, we get a bearish reaction and we start to take price lower. If this is the case, I would take some profit here and then let some profit run. All right, but US dollar, Canadian dollar, we're looking to short this pair. Another US dollar pair we're looking at is gold, guys. And again, it's not selling it. We're looking to buy it. So let's look at the weekly chart first of all. So are we seeing this? Yeah. So first of all, we are in a downtrend. However, we've had a big push off of this area of support, which we know is an important level. And if I zoom in, not very good at zooming in there, is this the start of a head and shoulders pattern? Yeah, this is a shoulder. This is an inverse head and shoulders pattern. That's the head, that's the shoulder. Are we potentially seeing the start of that on a weekly chart? All right, so that's, what we're seeing on the weekly chart. It is in a downtrend, but we've had a huge push away from this area of support, potentially a head and shoulders pattern. And then if we drop to the day chart, again, we've had a structure break. Yeah, so at this point, price was nicely in a downtrend. Yeah, we pinpointed this area as a target, but since it's hit this target, look at that. It's just shot up like a SpaceX Elon Musk rocket. Apologies for the analogies. But what it has done is broken all of these highs in here. Yeah, it's broken all of them with this candle. Okay, so this candle tells us we're in an uptrend. We've got a bullish candle. We're above the moving average 20. The idea is just to come back up to this area of resistance here. It could come a little bit further, guys. It could come back up into this grey zone. But again, my target's quite conservative. If we drop down to the H4, what are we looking for? Well, we've got a couple of grey zones. Yes, we've got this one here where you can see price has reacted many times. So if price retraces into here, we get a bullish reaction. Great, we can enter and we can take price back up to here. When I say a bullish reaction, I'm looking for a H1 and or a H4 candle to tell me buyers are in control. Okay. It could also, potentially bounce off the moving average 20. Perhaps it comes down to these lows. This could happen as well. Yeah. And then we get a bullish reaction. This is a level, but yeah, if it comes down to this level, you have to think about structure. If it comes down to here, it means it's broken H4 structure. So I'm, probably not interested in this level. All right, so it's all about this level or the moving average 20 catching up as well, and we're going to buy it. All right, so gold, yeah. Haven't said that for a while. We are going against the US dollar. Yeah, we're looking to buy gold and short the US dollar, Canadian dollar. There's more, guys. There's one more trade idea for today. Before I give you my last trade idea, guys, if I could just ask everyone to please subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, we would love to have you. I give you my trade ideas every day, so why the hell not? Yeah, subscribe to the channel. And if I could also ask everyone to smash the like button. If you're enjoying this analysis, smash the like button, guys. It really helps support the vid. Shukran, mercy, gracias. And don't forget the cool things we do, guys. Yeah, free Discord, VIP Discord. We've got the mentorship program. We've got Simply Forex YouTube membership, and we got the live stream later on. All of the information is in the video description. The last one is this, Euro Pound. Yeah, if we drop down to the day chart, guys, where have my grey zones gone? Seriously, what has happened to my grey zones? This is live, right? Oh, there they are. They've come back. Thank God for that. So, guys, yeah, this is what we're looking at on the day chart. So we were talking about this in the live stream, and pretty much what I needed to see happened. All right, so if you look at price here, so we are clearly starting to see higher lows, yeah, which is a strong indication that we are in an uptrend. However, we never broke these highs, all right? But now, with yesterday's candle, yeah, I have had confirmation that we have got higher highs. And that's all I was waiting for, guys. Okay, now we've got higher highs. This, you can see this candle has broken this high, and obviously all of these highs. And it's very bullish. The idea is to, you know, get a retrace and take price back up to here. All right. So yeah, what I was waiting for happened. Wonderful. If we drop down to the H4 now, we've also got this level. If I just zoom out, you can see this level. You know, price has reacted many times at this level. All right. That's why it's a level. I'm just looking for historic price action. And that's what I want to see, guys. I want to see a retrace into this grey zone. I want to see a bullish reaction. You know, also maybe the moving average 20 catches up. I want to see a bullish reaction. We can get into this trade and look to take it back up to our blue target, our blue line. All right, guys, so Euro Pound, we're looking to buy that pair as well. So those are my trade ideas for today, guys. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Tuesday, the 19th of September, guys. So got some important news today. All right, the first piece of important news is this. At 10 o'clock, London GMT, yeah, we got CPI figures coming out month on month, year on year, core CPI year on year. We've got 3 pieces of CPI data. And as you know by now, it's all about the inflation and cooling inflation. And these are a key indicator of inflation. So super important, guys. Yeah, if you're in any euro trade, we're looking at that Euro Pound. So we really need to be aware of this coming out, guys. All right, this could really move the euro. If you look down further, guys, the next piece of important news is this. At 1:30 London GMT, coming out of the US, we've got building permits. So again, this could move any US dollar pairs. And again, we're interested in US dollar pairs. And then if we carry on down, guys, it says a 2-star rating here, but, you know, this is CPI. This is very important. So at the same time, 1:30, coming out of Canada, we've got core CPI year on year and month on month, guys. All right. So yeah, this is a 3-star rating for me. This is going to move any Canadian dollar pairs. So you can imagine US dollar, Canadian dollar, which is a pair that we're looking at today at 1:30 is going to be very volatile. We've got US data and Canadian data. All right. But then after that, guys, as you can see, no other news for us to worry about. Right, that's it, guys. Hope you've enjoyed the vid. Please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to join me for the live stream later today. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you later.